Hi guys, good evening. For this video, tudluan to kamo kung paano maglagbok ang isang security guard. Guys, yan duty to sa buong guys. Guys. Sample be POD, Post Order Duty, Kabauhan, Guard Order Duty, SG Caldero AL, Time Order Duty 0700 hours to 1900 hours. DOD, Date Order Duty, February 7, 2024. Paul, Alas City. Assume PDR. Meaning na ni Post Order, Post Duties and Responsibilities from Outgoing Guard SG Kapangan RL, including the FF items stated below. One shotguns, prayer number for sa na 8 logbook, 7 pieces case. Sampol sinong mag-out, logbook na na. For mag-turnover naman, number 19 hours. Properly turnover post duties and all responsibilities to incoming guard SG Kapangan RL, including state below. Kung mamangyapan guys, ilista nyo man kung ano yung ano ang gina-turnover nyo, tapos muna kung may dogang na batang nyo lang na, tapos ma-perma ka mo, tapos kung outgoing guard or sinong incoming, kailangan hindi papermahan mo siya guys bago mag-out lang sa mga baguhan daw. Bye bye.